Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a second Instagram account using the same email in 2025 step by step. So if you want another page for business, personal use or a secret project, this method makes it simple. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to launch your Instagram application. As you can see, I'm currently in my Instagram application and I have this particular account opened in my account. So here tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you are here, simply tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Now you will be here in the settings and privacy, where you just have to scroll down and try to find the option of add account. You can also use the search bar here on the top, and when you search for add account, you will find this option over here. Now you need to tap on it and select the option of create new account. Now over here, you need to start creating your account by providing the username that you want to give to your new account. So it can be anything. Let's say I type this. After that, you need to press next. Now you need to create a strong password for your account just like so. Then click on the option of sign in. Now it is right away going to show you can complete your sign up, or you can add the new phone number or the email address. So since it is asking you to add the email address, you will have to tap on this option and here select the email address. Over here you need to select the same email address which you want to basically use to create this particular account, because on Instagram there is no such thing that you can't create two accounts on the same email address. You can certainly do so. So you will have to provide that and then simply select a strong password for your account. After that, click on the option of complete sign up and there you go. You will be able to successfully create a second Instagram account using the same email in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.